What is digital marketing? Digital advertising refers to any advertising approach that makes use of a digital tool that could or won't is attached to the internet. Even radio commercials and TV classified ads are virtual advertising techniques, aleven though virtual advertising has evolved, and new techniques may be a great deal extra powerful. Digital advertising is critical with regards to being aggressive and applicable inside your industry. If your enterprise has no net or virtual presence, you're lacking out on infinite possibilities to attain out in your goal target market. Digital advertising may be widely damaged into 8 primary classes including search engine optimization, pay in line with click, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, marketing analytics and affiliate marketing. One. Content marketing. Content advertising refers to informational, precious content material like weblog posts, how-to movies, and different academic materials. This kind of advertising allows you connect to your target market and solution their questions. It also can assist to generate leads and near sales. 2. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the approach of making content material in this sort of manner that search engines like Google and Yahoo like Google will rank your web page excessive at the seek engine outcomes web page, SERP. 3. Search engine marketing / pay in line with click. Search engine advertising, or SEM, refers to paid commercials that seem on the pinnacle of the SERP. The fee of those commercials usually relies upon at the variety of clicks the hyperlink receives, hence pay in line with click. 4. Social media marketing. With social media advertising, social media structures are used as a virtual advertising channel. Ads may be sold to attain out to a brand new target market, or you may create a profile on your enterprise on any social media platform and create posts to put it on the market new products, sales, or freshly posted content material. Five. Affiliate and influencer marketing. Working with an associate or influencer can assist boom your target market attain through attractive with their current target market. For an powerful associate/influencer relationship, try in paintings with an character who's famous and revered inside your industry. They can create content material selling your enterprise or product and proportion a hyperlink in your internet site. Every time a sale is completed, or a hyperlink is clicked, the influencer/associate will obtain a kickback. 6. Email marketing. When a person visits your internet site or enterprise, invite them to sign up for an email subscriber list. With their permission, you may ship emails approximately sales, unique events, or product releases. Email advertising is regularly underestimated, and in step with life marketing, approximately $40 of sales is delivered in for each greenback spent on email advertising. 7. Mobile marketing. As in line with Google research, 27% of humans globally use cell voice seek. The cell patron adventure is on an exponential rise. Digital advertising calls for immediacy as a great deal as loyalty, and smartphones are one of the maximum instantaneously problem-fixing companions anywhere, anytime. 8. Video marketing. And modern-day fast-paced scenario, brief and short movies are faster than texts in attracting customers. Be it academic or entertaining, stay or pre-recorded video content material is a dependable virtual advertising option. Today, over 2 billion humans search for something or the alternative in line with month on YouTube. It is a promising possibility to attain new customers, and video advertising techniques force outcomes all through the advertising funnel.